Hi, welcome to Jennifer's Craft and Creations. Today we are making a door plaque for our granddaughter's bedroom door. The resin we are using today for the letters is Vuba Rapids with pink and black mica powder from mrmica. Links will be in the description. These are jigsaw alphabet letters. I am doing the black in the center, leaving it to cure for a couple of hours, then doing the pink, then leaving for a day or so for it to cure properly. Here we go. Hi and welcome back. This is the next day. We've made the letters up. They've cured. They've been popped out. Now we're going to do 150 grams of resin just to make a base coat on this. we're going to put some alcohol inks, pink and purple, and some fine glitter. And then once that's gone off a little bit, then we can put the letters in. So here goes. I'll need to make sure these bubbles are out before I pour this. Pardon? Yeah. I'm going to put a bit of each resin in each of them for the alcohol ink. Forgot we've got this bit to do. Bit up in that. When you do the other, do a bit in that corner. Right, I've put some UV resin to bond the letters together, and I'm using a ultraviolet light, what your beauticians use for your nails. I think, see what that's like. Right, we're now going to put the letters into this plaque, and then we'll go and show you the next stage after this. I've tried to get my second pour the same temperature as my first pour, so that the first pour doesn't shrink too much. Right, now I'm going to pour it. Right, I'll try and do it in the middle there, as low down as possible. Yeah. Can you just sing it for me? Give it a flash, because I can see. Just don't get that in you, resin. That it was dangling. Just hang on a minute. There's bubbles there I can see. Come on. Come on, baby. Right, we'll come back in a day or so, probably tomorrow, and do the demoulding and see what it looks like. And welcome back. Next day, we'll do the demoulding. But if you see here, where I'm pointing, just there, there, you can see there now. Just there. Just come apart a little bit, but that should be okay. Right, let's demould it. It's coming out easy. There. Is that right way around for you guys? Yeah. Yeah. That's the finishing project. Well, no, it's not quite. Now I'm going to put some masking tape across this bit here. I'm going to measure it. I'm going to drill 2 holes, and I'm going to put some pink ribbon through, so it can be hung on the door, the bedroom door. I'm going to get Mr. Picky, aka Mark, to drill the holes. Make sure it's in camera shot. Thank you. No, you have to move your woods. Right, take that off now. There's our holes. Just get some ribbon now. Wait a minute, I'm trying to So I need it at 450 because that's 1.5 times that. Then it should hang up on the bedroom door. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you've seen, please hit the thumbs up, and if you really do like it, then consider subscribing. Thank you.